Okay, so on this one they're asking what is the value of the y-intercept of this graph right here. So the first thing that you do is you go to on Desmos, you click on 1, and exactly the way it is, you start typing it in. So it's h of x equals 29 parentheses 5.2, and then you're going to look for your keyboard, which is up here. Click on A to the B, that way you can bring up the little option of putting a letter on top and not on the bottom. And we're going to put here an X. So again, if you look at the shape, we do not have a line, we do not have a parabola, which is a U-shaped. We have this weird looking graph. This is what is called an exponential graph, meaning that in this case it started off really slow and then it jumped up high. So they're asking, where is this line crossing the y-axis here? So I don't know if you guys remember, but this line right here on the bottom is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. And you're saying, there's no way I'm going to remember that. The good thing that Desmos, if you press on the little wrenching tool thing here, right here, look, you have x-axis and it says add a label. Just click X. Then you have the y-axis and just add the label y. So that, let's close this wrench off. Once we leave, it's telling us right here, doesn't matter where we move it. Look at the y and look at the x, it moves it with it. So this line right here is the y and this line is the x. So right here on top, we're looking for the y-intercept, meaning where it crosses the line. So if you click on the red line, anywhere in the red line, there's going to be a little dot that appears here. So again, let's do this really quick. You click on the red line anywhere and there's going to be a dot that appears here, and that it is the y-intercept. Now this is a free response. That means that you don't have answer choices. So what will you put as an answer? And it's telling you, it says what is the value, so what is the number on the y space. So if you look here, this first one, oops, right there, this first one is the x and this one is the y. And if you don't remember the order, it's like your ABCs. So it's x, y, then z. Remember that little part, the last part of the alphabet song? X, then y, then z. So x is first and then the y. So the answer in this one, you will type it on the computer, 29. And that's how you find the y-intercept from any graph.